WT Facts time. You won't believe this one. Did you know that elephants sneeze louder than almost any other animal on Earth? When an elephant sneezes, it sounds like a mini explosion. But there's a cool reason behind this. Elephants use their gigantic sneezes to clear out dust, dirt, and even pesky bugs from their long trunks. Since their trunks are like a nose, arm, and straw all in one, keeping them clean is super important for breathing and eating. So next time you hear a giant sneeze, remember, it might just be an elephant cleaning house. What the facts?